Hi, my name's Katie and welcome to part 11. Here we are going over Java memory allocation. So the first question in Java, which part of the memory is responsible for storing object instances? Not just a disclaimer, not everything here we learned in class. It's that I went to go and do research for in YouTube videos to get certain answers. So, okay, it is a heap memory. Question 2. Which of the following describes the purpose of a stack memory in Java? Question 3. How does Java handle memory management for objects that are no longer referenced? That is D. Which of the following is true about garbage collection in Java? That is C. Which method is used to explicitly request garbage collection in Java? Uh, it's this one. Question 6. Where does the method area in Java store class level information? Stack. Question 7. What happens when an object is created in Java? Question 8. In Java, how is stack memory used during method execution? Question 9. Which of the following statements is true about the heap memory in Java? Sorry. Question 10. How does Java handle memory allocation for primitive types such as integer? They are stored in a stack memory. I scored 70% for the section. Got this question wrong, as well as this one and this one. Moving on to the Java heap versus stack. Here we have question 1. So which of the following is stored in the stack memory in Java? In Java, what is true about the heap memory? Um, Question 3. What happens when a method is invoked in Java? Oh, I made a mistake. I wanted to click B. It's fine. Question 4. How are primitive types, example integer, stored in Java? They are stored in the stack memory. When an object is created in Java, where is it stored? That is the heap memory. Question 6. Which of the following statements about stack memory in Java is true? Okay, question 7. Which of the following is not true about heap memory in Java? Question 8. In terms of performance, which of the following is true about the stack memory? It's this one. Question 9. How does the memory allocation differ between heap and stack? I don't know this one. Could be. Wait, okay. Got it one right. That's just a guess. And then we have question 10. Which of the following is a characteristic of heap memory? Um, okay, I scored 70% for this section. I got this question wrong, as well as this question and this question. I believe this was the Dutch error one. Okay, and now we finally made it to the very last question of this quiz. JVM memory management in garbage collection. Which of the following is true about the JVM stack memory? Question 2. Which of the following not a is not a type of memory area allocated by the JVM? I'm going to say it's the method area or it's a local variable area. Question 3. What happens when an object becomes eligible for garbage collection in Java? I got B. Okay. Question 4. Which of the following memory areas in the JVM is used to store class level data like static variable and methods? That is the method area. Question 5. What is garbage collection in the context of the JVM memory management? It is the purpose of the Okay. Then we have question 6. What is the role of the heap memory in the JVM? Question 7. Which of the following memory areas in JVM is shared across all threads? Is it not the stack and the heap? The heap. It's these two. Yes, okay. Question 8. How does a garbage collector decide when to reclaim memory for unreachable data? Not when the stack memory is full. Oh, okay. What is minor GC in Java? Collects garbage from the heap, particularly from the young generation. It is the collection of garbage from the net area, garbage from the stack memory. Got a yeah, right. And then question 10, which JVM memory area is cleared automatically when a thread is terminated? The stack memory. Score 77%. Score 77% for this section. Here I got question 8 wrong, question 5 wrong, question 2 wrong. That is the end. That is the end of Geek or Geeks quiz. I'm actually very tired. So yeah, thank you for watching.